So I started this painting with blue and yellow. It's the very first layer. Today I'm going to go in with some drawing and with some oil pastels. Why oil pastels? Because they create a resist, and I want to see what happens when I start to paint over that again. More experimentation, more discovery, and hopefully more surprises. So for now I'm going to stick with these colours, using the blues and the yellows, this time in oil pastels, and I'm going to start just doodling and playing around. I'm concentrating on putting blue pastel on the yellow painted areas and yellow and golds on the blue painted area. So next up I changed to the blue canvas that I started with the blue paints, and if you've been watching me then you will have seen me starting this, and if not, my name's Irene, I live in the south of France, and well, I love experimenting and creating with mixed media. Show you lots of techniques and tips on this channel, and here I am going in with the oil pastels in the yellows. And finally here I'm switching up for the yellow beginnings to use the blue oil pastels. Well, this is all about trial and error and all about seeing what happens when we just give things a try. I've already used this before. I use oil pastels in my mixed media paintings. I just wanted to show you how this resists and to see how long it keeps popping through the many layers of materials, mediums, collage, inks, paints, lots of different mixed media techniques. Yeah, so another little experiment I hope you'll find useful, and if you haven't tried it then give it a go, and if you have tried it then let me know in the comments below how you find it, if you like it, how many layers you actually have done while still seeing this resist. So just put them up on the easel to have a step back and have a look, as you do. And what I'm tempted to do now is go over again with paints. I've got my original yellow and blue colour palettes. I'm tempted to just do glazes and watch this oil pastel still come through. This takes a long time to dry. It's still a little bit wet. Well, see what reactions we get. Experimenting on the canvas. You don't just have to do it in your sketchbook. I like to play as I go, experiment as I go, and discover as I go. So I'm tempted to get these back on the floor again. This was the blue one with the yellow gold oil pastel, and the yellow paint with the blue oil pastel. Of course, in the beginning stages, I'll be interested to see if this oil pastel still comes through in the end when I've done layers and layers and layers. We'll see. So I'm going to get back down on the floor. So a good way to do glazes is to just grab any sort of scrapey tool. This is just an old laminated plastic label for painting, and just scrape over the paint. You can see already it's covering, but the oil pastel is resisting. And this is not watered down paint or anything, it's pure paint. And you can still, the blue is still very vibrant coming through. I keep piling it on, it's still coming through. If you're enjoying this video, then do subscribe. I really do appreciate your encouragement. If you're interested in creating in mixed media and you want to take it to the next level, creating layers of meaningful, interesting, personalised art, then I am in the middle of creating a course all about this. I'll put the information below and you can sign up and be the first to know when it will be released, and, well, keep you updated. Changing up for the blue canvas, and here I decided to go in with some inks, some acrylic inks. So sticking with the blue theme to go over the yellow pastel, just dripping on. I do like my drippies. Here I can't resist, just have a little go with the squirty bottle with the water. See what marks, exciting marks we can get, what effects. Drippies. And back to the scrapey tool. And we're starting to get this green glaze coming through. I'm actually loving these circles. What do they mean? Not sure yet. Must mean something to me. How we move forward and how the painting keeps communicating with me. Going in with more inks, this time using yellow ochre. So really I'm purposefully going right over the pastel. Sometimes it mixes in and gets this lovely greeny colour, but most of the time it just glides over the top. And here I felt the urge to go over with some blue ink over the blue pastel, just to see what happens. Waste not, want not, using the ink that spilled out onto the tablecloth to make a perfect glaze. Yeah, so I really enjoyed that session. Another session of experimenting with these pastels and paints and inks. And I don't think you can just leave it there with this layer. You can, if you've made new discoveries, you can do this again in later layers. Just keep building up and testing out materials, mediums. I'm loving these dotty dots. So not wanting to waste the paint left on my palette, I've grabbed this fun roller. So it's not a rolly roller, it's a textured roller, and I'm just rolling that onto the canvas to finish off the paint. Not sure what the next layer will be. Will it be collage? Will it be more paint? Will it be gold leaf? Will it be charcoal? Will it be soft pastel? We'll see. Ooh, give me a suggestion below and maybe I'll try that out. So maybe the next layer in the next video will be by popular demand. We'll see what suggestions you come up with. Anyway, if you're interested, get signed up below to the waitlist for the new course and I will get information to you about that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. For now, bye bye. Au revoir.